Hi, I am Natasha Denona. This is my Lila palette, which is based on my favorite color scheme, purples. I want to share with you 4 different looks I've created with this palette. This is the Elongated Smokey Look. For this purple elongated smoky eye, I'm going to start with Amethyst and going to apply it on the center of the lid and also in the inner corner. With Livid, I'm going to blend into the crease. With Layla, I'm going to build the outer C. With Per Se, I'm going to blend. With Juneau, I'm going to blend a little bit more the Per Se shade and going to lighten up the brow bone as well. I'm applying Juneau as well in the inner corner. Then I'm connecting with the lower lash line using the Lila shade. And with Viola, I'm going to go inwards. With Per Se, I'm going to blend the outer corner. And with Viola, I'm going to set the waterline